just coming up into bag making. This is what we call flex. Okay, and how do you get this flex? You go to printers, so they are going to design it for you. If you are a graphics designer, you can design it, then you take it to them for printing. You tell them the size that you want, and this is what we sew on souvenir bag. This one is different from sticker. Sticker is what do they call sticker? The one that you just remove it, and they must have sewn the bags before placing it on, on the bag. Stickers are also used on all this, on plastics like buckets, rubbers, cups, for sharing during occasion. But this one is called flex. Okay, but some people call it poster. So this is it. We are about to make bags with this, with this flex. So it has been designed, we designed it, we printed the size that we wanted. Okay, so we're going to be placing it on our bags. So I might show you this later on. So for those that are going into bag making, if you want to do this, all you need to do is go to printers. Okay, you tell them what you want. Okay, you give them the soft copy of the pictures and all the information. Like you can see this one, we have the name of the celebrant, date, and what the caption, and then courtesy. So those are the information you will need. Okay guys, so if you find this information helpful, I would like you to comment in the comment section. You can also join our WhatsApp group. Yes, by checking the comment section, you see the link there, our WhatsApp group, where you can meet other bag makers, and also you can make your suggestion, you can ask questions there. Okay, and the general house will respond to your question, and if it's the one that I need to respond to, I will respond to it. Okay, so generally this is how flex stroke banners are made. Okay, and you can decide to go, like if this mommy wants us to make banner for her, like the one that a big banner that will place outside, that's the one that is called banner, the big one that everybody will see, that will direct people, that will, all this other information will be there too, and then that will make people to know what is actually going on. Do you understand? So that one is, the big one is banner. Why we call this one flex? Do you understand? But it's still the same material that is used. So if you have any question, you can let me know. So this 2020-25 is going to be good for us, so in Jesus name. So if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Why not subscribe to Tarron Innovative World? Also, you can go to our Facebook page, Facebook group, which is tagged Bag Makers World. There I do normally drop tutorials there as well. Okay, and then there you will meet thousands of other bag makers. All right, and also you can subscribe to our Facebook page. You can follow our Facebook page, Tarron Innovative World. Okay, so that one is mainly our business page. Okay guys, so this is it. All right, so if you have any other question, you can let me know. All right, in the comment section, let me know in the comment section. Okay guys, so subscribe to this channel. Also click on the thumbs up button. All right, click on the thumbs up button to show that you like the video. The more likes this video gets, the more viral it goes. So if you have any question or you have a video suggestion, let me know. Thank you so much. I will after making the bags. All right, so after printing your flex, okay, the next thing is to cut. Do you see? So they will normally put lines for cutting for you. So like I was saying, the more likes our content gets, the more viral it goes. Okay, so if you have any question concerning poster, banner, what do they call it, poster, banner, what did they call this? Okay, you can just let me know. Okay, all right, if you have question on poster, banner, stickers, okay, some people call it stickers, let me know. All right, in the comment section. Thank you so much.